Unlocking the secrets of Keep Me Alerted. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and useful phrase in the English language, keep me alerted. This expression is not just common in everyday conversation but also crucial in various professional settings. Understanding its nuances can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase really means and how you can use it effectively. The phrase, keep me alerted, is a request or command that involves two key components, keep and alerted. To keep someone means to maintain or continue a specific action or condition. Alerted is the past participle of alert, which means to inform or warn someone about a situation, especially one that requires immediate attention or action. When combined, keep me alerted essentially means continually inform me or update me about a particular situation or development. It's a request to stay informed about changes, updates, or important information as they happen. You might use keep me alerted in various contexts, such as in the workplace, when you're working on a project and need to be updated about any changes or progress made by your team. In personal situations, for example, if there's a weather warning in your area and you ask a family member to keep me alerted about any updates from the local weather service. For news and events, when you're following a particular news story or event closely and want to be informed about the latest developments. It's a versatile phrase that can be used formally or informally, depending on the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to. If someone asks you to keep them alerted, they're placing trust in you to inform them about important or relevant information. Here's how you can respond effectively. Acknowledge the request. A simple, will do, or certainly, assures the person that you've understood their request. Ask for specifics. If necessary, ask what kind of updates or information they're interested in. This ensures you know exactly what to keep them informed about. Provide timely updates. Make sure to inform the person as soon as there's something new to report. Delaying updates defeats the purpose of the request. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase, keep me alerted, for you. Remember, it's all about staying informed and keeping others informed. Whether in personal situations, at work, or when following news, using this phrase correctly can enhance your communication skills and ensure you and those around you are always in the loop. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning.